everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to get a quick look for the gym. Alright. Yeah, I'm not always the person to wear anything when I go to the gym. Well, okay, no, I am wearing something. Usually clothes. Not always a lot of makeup, but today I'm feeling the need. Maybe it's because 8 years ago? No, not 8 years. 3 years ago today is when my husband proposed to me, so I kind of wanted to look a little nicer. Anyway, so here's what I do. I've already done my skincare, so we've applied moisturizer, eye cream, all that fun stuff. Now, I'm going to go in with some Magic Lumi. And it's just because I want to look a little more, well, luminous. Duh. It's part of the word, I think. So all I'm doing here, guys, is applying the primer. I'm not actually putting any foundation on top. I just want to look luminous. So here I am. Not that exciting, is it? So what I do is I actually do what you're not supposed to do. You're not supposed to go down your face. You're supposed to go up your face. But you know what? I'm an old dog. You can't teach me new tricks, right? So the next step is I like a little concealer under the eyes. I don't think I have anything crazy. Sorry, looking in the mirror going, do I have under eye bags? Well, doesn't matter. I'm still going to use it. Now, I have two options. I have an It Bye Bye Under Eye, which is waterproof, and I also have the Instant Age Rewind. Well, I'm going to go in with the Bye Bye Under Eye because bye bye. Sorry, it's like I'm talking to my dog when I say bye bye. Bye bye under eye. By the way, my puppy is being extra adventurous. Do you guys have one? We haven't been. He gets a car ride nearly every day, and if he doesn't get one, well, he lets everyone know that he is not happy. So, yeah, I'm going in with the concealer brush. This one is from, I think it's Up and Up at Target. There's a mirror over here. And the mirror has a magnifying thing. And seeing as I don't really care to wear contacts. Hey, my puppy who likes to go out and run without permission just came in. Okay, so there we are. And I don't want it to crease. I don't know why I'm so concerned about that, because the creasing is there. And I have just, you can use a banana powder if you're concerned. I'm not so concerned. I'm going to use this one from Essence, All About Matte. And it's just because it was in my drawer and it was easy to find. And it's pretty clear, always. And I'm using this brush from Ulta Beauty. It's one you get when they say, hey, if you spend X amount of dollars, you get all these samples of this bag. And I'm a sucker. I probably have 3 of these. But it's like a little blush brush. Yeah. So, that. And then some mascara. Also, I am out of waterproof. I had waterproof and then, it got old. So I am going in with a Benefit They're Real Mini. Pretty exciting stuff, I tell ya. But my under eyes look quite nice. I am trying not to buy mascara for the next year. I want to use what's in my collection. Same with blushes. Because, goodness, I have a lot of blush. Basically, I'm trying to go on a no-buy. Mostly a no-buy. For the next year. I will be getting like new brands, like new drugstore brands to try on and stuff. But I'm not going to go buy lots of palettes like I did last year, and I don't need any more blushes. Let's use what I got. So, I think maybe this year we'll get 3 palettes. I don't need any lipsticks or lip glosses, or we're just going to do with what we got for the most part. Now, I'm going to let this dry for a second and go in for a second coat on the top lashes because I think my bottom lashes look good. All right, and throw on a balm stain, and then I throw on a balm stain or a liquid balm. Sorry, I'm getting a tissue. Or a colored balm. And this is quite a simple look. It's just one if you are leaving the house in the morning or going to the gym after work. And this is in the color Made You Pink. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is my going to the gym look. If you're concerned about discoloration up here, use a little concealer. I might actually do that now. And just set it with the regular powder. And I'm going in with my Instant Age Rewind because I know that's pretty lightweight. There, that looks a lot better. And I'll go ahead and set it with this. And that is the final look. Simple, and I look almost presentable. All right. Well, thank you guys so much. And don't forget, if you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon below to be notified. If you guys think you're subscribed and you're not getting notifications, look down below and see if that subscribe thingy is red. You're not subscribed. Do it again. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.